Kitchen artisan, we have to have the right tools. So they are already telling me what I can buy next. Nope. Hello curious, welcome to my channel. How are we doing? Well, my name is Dominique and this is a try and true channel, and today we are just going to be unboxing this bad boy. I mean, there's nothing to say about the KitchenAid, you've seen it. If there's something about the ketone you want to read, just pause it and read it. So I'm just going to do a 360. 1, 2, and that's all. It's an artisan, 5-year warranty. So come closer. If you want to have a good work, you have to have the right tools, and this is one of them. Okay, no, I don't need pasta. I don't have the time to do pasta. So they are already telling me what I can buy next. This is something like buy the first stage is for free and the next one you're going to really pay. No, I just need one more mixing bowl. So that's how it looks inside. Next is the kitchen bowl cover. Now, at this point, you need some muzzles. This thing is heavy. I would say that's it for the unboxing, right? Of course, there's the manual. Register your product. It's just okay. I'm done reading. Okay, there are some goodies. Everything is like secured. Dishwasher safe. So that's nice, not plastic. I would say we are done with the unboxing, right? Ta-da! And yes, I bought it in gray. I just bought it also because I love it. And the next thing I'm going to be buying is another bowl, a black one, because I love black and gray in the kitchen. My kitchen is black and gray. And yes, I did not plan it. I have black and gray on. So let's just open this tool. That easy opening, right? So those are the tools I will be needing. That's it for the unboxing. It was short. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.